we're now moving into simplifying sums and differences of polynomial products. In the grade 9 course, you learn how to FOIL. Once you get into 20 SP, you get into more complicated expressions that involve, for example, a 3 by a 2, and then this idea of a binomial squared. You have to make sure that you FOIL it. So if we start off with the first part, we'll get 3x plus y minus 1, and I'm going to set this up using the box visual, and then 2x minus 4. So if we fill in the boxes, we get 6x squared, 2xy minus 2x, and then negative 12x minus 4y plus 4. Then you look to see if you can collect any like terms. We just have the 1x squared, so we have 6x squared plus 2xy. You can put the minus 12x and the minus 2x together to get minus 14x. Then we have the minus 4y plus 4. Okay, now you can do just FOIL. It's not really FOIL because this is a 3 by 2, and avoid the box if you prefer, but this is the visual that might help you out. Now the second part is minus 3x plus 2y. This one you need to FOIL. Keep in mind 3x plus 2y squared is actually 3x plus 2y times 3x plus 2y. A lot of people forget that and then you miss your middle term. So when we FOIL this, we have 3x plus 2y times 3x plus 2y. So you have 9x squared, 6xy, 6xy, and 4y squared. So now we can collect the like terms, and we end up with 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared. Now, we wanted to actually subtract this 3x plus 2y squared, so we need to make sure that we change the sign on everything. So what you're going to have, and just to save time, I'm going to change colors here. So this is going to be minus 9x minus 12xy minus 4y squared. Okay, so now we can collect like terms from the two parts of the original question. So we've got 6x squared minus 9x squared, because again, remember we were subtracting that. So you're going to get minus 3x squared. Then we have 2xy and minus 12xy. So that's going to be minus 10xy. Then we have, I don't think there's any like terms left. Okay, so we have minus 14x minus 4y minus 4y squared plus 4. And that should be your final answer. Okay, so after looking at this question for 1 second or a minute, what you might want to do is rearrange the degree of your terms into descending order. So start with the largest degree, and you can start with the 3x squared or the 4y squared. Generally, I like to write it in the order of the alphabet. So I would start with the 3x squared. So you'd have minus 3x squared minus 4y squared. Now the next highest degree would be the 10xy, because you have a 1 on each of those. So that one has a degree of 2 as well. So minus 10xy. Sometimes what I like to do is cross things off too once I've kind of dealt with them, so that I don't add them in again. Then I would go minus 14x minus 4y plus 4.